Hello English learners, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a very exciting secret that is going to help you stop struggling when you speak. You want to be fluent? Right. Today, we will see 3 points why your English doesn't work yet and why you are not fluent. Then we are going to learn the most useful tool to speak English very soon. Finally, I will show you how to build these into a system so you can practice every day and be fluent in just a few months. Why you aren't fluent yet? So, why are you not fluent? It's because you are focusing on individual words. When you learn words one by one, you struggle, you think, okay, I know the word schedule, but how do I use it in a sentence? When you speak word by word, you make mistakes, you pause, and your speaking isn't clear. This is the mistake most learners make. The secret is chunks. What is a chunk? A chunk is a group of words connected together to make one sound. Think of the phrase by the way. You don't say by the way. You say it like one single sound. By the way. This is exactly how native speakers talk. When you use chunks, you aren't building a sentence word by word. You are connecting blocks of sound. This makes your paragraphs flow naturally and your speaking becomes very easy. Let's look at the 10 most useful chunks for your daily life and work. Remember, learn them as one sound. Number one, I'm used to. I am familiar with. It is normal for me. I'm used to getting up early. I'm used to working with many people. And remember the rule use verb plus ing after this chunk. Number two, to be honest. To tell you the truth, my real opinion. To be honest, I think we need more time. To be honest, I don't really like coffee. Number three, I'm looking forward to. I am excited about something in the future. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to starting my vacation. Number four, I'm in charge of. I am the boss of this. My responsibility. I'm in charge of organizing the files. I'm in charge of managing this project. Number five, I'm about to. I will do it very soon, seconds or minutes. I'm about to start the meeting. I'm about to leave the house. Number six, it's up to you. You decide. It is your choice. We can go now or later. It's up to you. You can't choose the blue or red. It's up to you. Number seven, to make a long story short. To give you the end quickly without details. To make a long story short, I got the job. To make a long story short, we missed the flight. Number eight, as soon as possible, at the earliest time. Fast. Please call me back as soon as possible. I will finish this report as soon as possible. Number nine, in the long run. Over a long period of time in the future, it's hard now, but it's better in the long run. Saving money is good for you in the long run. Number 10. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have no idea where the office is. I have no idea how to fix this computer. Now, let's put these into a story so you can hear the flow. Imagine I am talking about my day at work. Yesterday, I had a busy day. To be honest, I was tired, but I'm used to working hard. I'm in charge of the new project, and my boss asked for the report as soon as possible. I was about to leave when a colleague asked to stay for a meeting. I said, "It's up to you." To make a long story short, we finished quickly. Now I'm looking forward to the weekend because I have no idea what I will do it. Did you hear how the sentences connected? That is the power of chunks. Your homework is to take one chunk every day, say it 10 times until it sounds like one sound. If you do this every day, you will be fluent very soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more secrets to English fluency. See you in the next video.